Hello friends, I am Dr. Vinay Gupta from Cathal TV. Right now I am present in Shamrock School, for which happiness has just come around because after getting affiliation from Central Board of Secondary Education, the first result of 10th class has just come out. We will be talking to the students who have secured more than 90% marks, and also will take the interview of the principal that what she has to say about this result. Right now with me is Mr. Tanmay. We'll be talking to him. Hello Tanmay, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So how are you feeling after securing more than 90% marks in your 10th class?
I'm feeling very good, and my parents are also feeling very proud of me.
So what are the future plans? What do you want to become?
I want to become an engineer in my life, and that's my future plans.
Okay. So what are you doing to fulfill your dream, and any other kind of extracurricular activity you are pursuing?
Yes, I'm very good in painting, and I also love reading books, and these are some activities that I pursue when I am feeling bored and when I have some lonely time with myself, and these are my curricular activities.
So what is your dream institution from which you want to complete your engineering?
Akash. I am currently studying in Akash. I'm taking coaching from there, and I am preparing for my JE from there.
हेलो उदित.
हेलो.
उदित, कैसा लग रहा है 10वीं कक्षा में 90% से ज़्यादा अंक पाकर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. मेरे पेरेंट्स भी बहुत प्राउड हैं और बस.
तो आप हमें बताया गया है कि आप पढ़ाई के साथ साथ बास्केटबॉल भी अच्छा खेलते हैं. किस स्तर तक आपने बास्केटबॉल की प्रतियोगिता में हिस्सा लिया?
मैं नेशनल तक खेला हूँ बास्केटबॉल में. अब साथ में पढ़ता भी था, तो मार्क्स इतने अच्छे आने पर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा, तो पेरेंट्स का क्या रिएक्शन था? अक्सर पेरेंट्स कहते हैं बच्चों को कि पढ़िए और पढ़िए. क्या पेरेंट्स सपोर्टिव हैं कि आप बास्केटबॉल में आगे अच्छा करें, या वो चाहते हैं कि आप कुछ बने पहले कुछ प्रोफेशनली?
नहीं, पेरेंट्स कहते हैं जो तेरा इंटरेस्ट है मतलब वो कर, तो पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट करते हैं.
तो अगर बास्केटबॉल खिलाड़ी आप अच्छे बन गए वो तो उसके लिए तो शुभकामनाएं. उसके अलावा आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं जीवन में?
मैं एयरफोर्स में जाना चाहूँगा, तो गवर्नमेंट जॉब पे ही वो मेरा.
मीन्स सरकारी नौकरी आपका पहला जो टारगेट है?
यस.
हेलो, हाय.
Hi sir.
What's your name?
My name is Shagun
So
Gautam.
Shagun, how are you feeling after securing more than 90% marks in your class 10th board exams?
I'm feeling very happy.
So other than studies, what are your interests?
My interest is in drawing and I'm a good orator.
Orator. So our Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, is also a good orator. Any inclination towards politics?
A little bit.
So other than co-curricular activities, what is your dream job or dream stream you are planning to join?
I am a student of non-medical basically, and my dream job was to be a judge.
Okay. So do you know that what kind of things you have to do, how to prepare to become a judge?
Yeah, we have to give a paper of CLAT, after that LLB, and for judicial line we have to do that.
So you are preparing right now for that, or you are joining some other coaching institution for engineering or commerce or medical?
I'm preparing for non-medical also, but simultaneously I'm doing for judicial line also.
Okay. So you will you want to be a Supreme Court judge or district judge?
No, Supreme Court judge.
Okay. So after talking to the brilliant students of Shamrock School, we are now moving towards the principal of Shamrock School to know more about the students' achievement. Hello ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Neelam Morgan.
Okay, first of all, congratulations that your students have secured the more than 90% marks in class 10th
Thank
exam.
you very much, and this is our first result of CBSE, and we are very happy.
So one of the student, Udit, is also a national level basketball championship, and that's a very golden chance for the school to make him more brighter. So what are you doing towards this direction?
Actually, we are encouraging the students. We don't push any kind of study burden or anything like that, but we encourage them so that they can learn it internally.
So how their parents are feeling?
They are very happy. They are
Okay.
really very happy, especially Udit's parents, because he's a sports person, and after even that he has got more than 90% marks.
So the school has provided any kind of special facility, any waiver of the fees to Udit?
Yes, Udit is studying totally 100% on scholarship.
So what is the reaction of other parents of the society? Are they moving fastly towards your school that this was your first result and now they are keen to take admission?
Yes, we are getting so many inquiries.
Okay. So what's your reaction, and how many seats are vacant right now so that parents may be informed that yes, they can come and take admission?
Actually, we have seats only in 11th class now. Otherwise, all the seats are full.
All seats are full.
Yes.
So it means you have got a wonderful reaction from society.
Yes, yes.
So any other kind of plans, any other kind of facilities you want to tell about your school?
Actually, our directors sir and the management of the school, they are working day and night for the upbringing of the school. Like we are giving all kind of sports facilities, like we have cricket stadium, basketball courts. We have 2 basketball courts and boxing ring, and we have a very beautiful swimming pool also. So we are giving all kind of sports facilities.
Means your school is taking care of on not only studies but also the health of the students.
Yes, definitely. And in this pandemic year, and we can say this era, which is going on, like COVID-19 is going on. So we should take care of the health of the students, and that is what we are teaching them from the beginning.
Okay. So this was the principal of the school with us, who told that how the students of the school have secured brilliant marks in class 10th examination, and there is no limits of happiness for them, for the staff members and also the parents of the students. So wishing them best of luck for future. Me, Dr. Vinay Gupta from Cathal TV.